Well, hello my little chickadees. This video is going to give you a voice. I'm going to give you a say in what I'm going to use as my final vacuum of the month. So we're very nearly into December. So on the 1st of December, you will see how the Miele U1 Dynamic did. And then of course, also on the 1st of December, I'll be showing you the vacuum I'll be using throughout December. The 1st of December also heralds the start of my Advent series. Yes, you've twisted my arm. I think it's the 3rd year now that I've done Advent videos. So you will get, whether you like it or not, 24 videos from the 1st of December right up to Christmas Eve. And some days you might even get 2 videos, depending how generous I feel. But that's all in the future, the very near future. What this video is all about is getting you to choose which one of the 10 vacuum cleaners I have behind me you would like me to use for December and discuss at the end of the month. So I'll take you through the machines I've selected, and what I'd like you to do is comment just below this video. This is the only place I'll take your votes under this video. So just comment the name of the vacuum cleaner you'd like me to use, and if you want to give a reason, you can give a reason as well. That's up to you, but just the name, the make and the model of the vacuum, that's all you need to do. And then of course I'll announce the results on the 1st of December. So without any further ado, let's have a look at the selection I've got you to make a choice from. Now, the first cleaner for your consideration is the Sebo Airbelt E3 Premium. I did have a request for a Sebo, so this is a Sebo, and it's one I've hardly used. It's a canister design, bagged of course, made in Germany, and not only does it have a suction motor inside the compact body, it also has a motor to drive the ET1 power head. So this will be a good all-rounder, I think. I'm doing very well on carpets and hard floors, and of course my above floor cleaning. It also comes with a Sebo combi nozzle, which I can use when cleaning hard floors. Although the power head can be used with the brush roll turned off for hard floors, I probably will use this on my hard floors. So that's the first. So if you want to see this, just put Sebo E3 Premium under the video. Next, for you Dyson fans, we've got the Dyson Small Ball Multi-Floor Upright Vacuum. It's mains powered, it's bagless, it's very compact, and there we have it. I think it'll perform better than a Dyson cordless, to be quite honest. And of course the advantage of this machine, it's mains powered, so I'm not going to have to wait for the battery to charge up. So possibly, should I use this for the month of December? Certainly very light and easy to use. So if you want a Dyson, please comment Dyson Small Ball, or just comment Dyson, because there's only one Dyson to choose from this month. Next to Dyson comes, I don't think I should have them next to each other really, but we have Dyson's arch enemy, Dyson's nemesis, the Shark. So this is the big daddy of the Shark cleaners, certainly the largest Shark upright we have in the UK. It's based on the Apex design in the US of A. This has the widest cleaning path and the biggest capacity. This is the top model we have here. It's the powered lift away with Duo Clean, and it is also the pet version. So would you like me to clean up with a Shark for the month of December? Just comment Shark below and I'll be using this. I would like to use this for a bit more because I've hardly used it, but next year when I'm not doing vacuum of the month, I will get a chance to use a lot more vacuum cleaners, different cleaners on a day-to-day basis. So if you want to see Shark, comment Shark below and I'll count up all your votes at the end. Now, what else have we got behind us? Another cleaner that was suggested as vacuum of the month was a robotic machine. So for the last vacuum of the month, I thought I'd offer you the chance to vote for this iRobot Roomba. So I can clean my carpets and floors with this just at the touch of a button, and I can have a nice relaxing time, or more time to make the Advent videos. So if you'd like to see me putting my feet up and taking it easy, vote for the Roomba. Now, because the Roomba will only clean my carpets and floors, it won't clean my stairs, it won't clean my upholstery, and it won't clean any toast crumbs that I've got on the kitchen work surface, I'm going to have to pair this with another vacuum. So this is going to be 2 vacuums, but you can just put Robot, Roomba, or iRobot underneath if you want this. You don't have to put both vacuums because they come as a pair. And I've decided to team it up with this, and it's amazing actually how well these match. They could be made for each other. I know in the USA Shark actually do their own robotic vacuum, and one of the versions includes this in the dock, so you would have it charging up. They would both charge up in the dock, something like this, and you can use the robot for the floors and carpets and the little Shark hand vac for the above floor cleaning. So I haven't used this very much again, so this will give me a chance to use this a little bit more. So if you want this, just comment Roomba, Robot, and I'll know what you're talking about. But yes, look, they could be made for each other, almost the same finish. The Shark is very slightly darker in real life, but on camera they look very similar. So I'd quite like to have that as the choice, so I have more time to do other things, and it'll be very interesting to see how much dirt a robotic vacuum and a small handheld cleaner will remove. Now, this Panasonic ICON is one of my favourite cleaners. It's an older machine now, but it's still relatively modern, and it does a very good job of cleaning. It's bagged, it has a direct drive brush roll which incorporates a separate motor, and it's a heck of a beast of a brush roll too. You may have seen this in previous videos. It's an absolutely huge brush. It does a very good job. I have done a demo of this quite a while ago. So it's a little bit creaky. The hose is no good for cleaning the stairs, but it's excellent on carpets. It's fairly good on hard floors as well, because you can turn the brush roll off. So if you'd like to see the Panasonic as December's vacuum of the month, you can either put Panasonic or ICON below the video, and I'll count your vote. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more cleaners to go. Now, this Bosch GS50 Power Animal has been unboxed on my channel, well, a long time ago, and I haven't done a full demo of it. I did a little bit of a demonstration in the unboxing video, but I keep meaning to make a video of this and I haven't. So anyway, would you like me to use this machine for the month of December? Comment Bosch below the video. Comes with the Pro Animal turbo head, so it'll be ideal for picking up the dog hair on the carpets, but it also has the Silent Clean premium nozzle, which will be better on the hard floors. I can use it on carpets, of course. It's a dual purpose, but with the brush down I can use that on my hard floors, my kitchen, my bathroom and my ensuite. So we'll see. Of course, it's bagless, this, very similar sort of thing to the Miele Blizzard. Shares a lot of similar stylings. Obviously the Blizzard came after the Bosch. A lot of people thought that Bosch actually made the Miele Blizzard. I'm pretty sure they don't, but you can see where Miele got some of their ideas from, I think. Anyway, that'd be quite interesting to use, so comment Bosch below the video if you want to see me using this in the month of December. Now, this is the only cordless cleaner I've got for your consideration this month. It's the VAX Blade 32 volt Ultra. Now, we know that there is a newer version of the VAX Blade out. This is the previous version. It's still a current model. I've done an unboxing and I did a whole house clean with it, but I haven't used it really very much since I did that whole house clean at my mum's house. So would you like me to use this in my home for the month of December? Comment VAX underneath the video. I'll also be using the Cordless Pro Kit with it, just to give me a little bit more versatility for above floor cleaning. Okay, 3 more vacuums to go. This creaky bagless upright cleaner from AEG, or Electrolux in some countries, has a brush roll clean facility, so if any hairs or fibers get trapped around the brush roll, in theory at the press of a button it should clear them all out without you having to pick them off. So quite useful if you've got dogs or long-haired people, or if you've got someone in the house that does a lot of crafting or knitting, uses a lot of wool or cotton that often gets wrapped around the brush. It helps to clean it. I've hardly used this. This was unboxed a long time ago. It is one that I will be selling after I've made a full demo of it. But would you like me to creak along through the month of December using this machine? It's quite noisy. I didn't really like it when I unboxed it, but if you want me to use it for December, your vote is final and I will abide by your decision. So pop AEG under the video if you want me to use the AEG Precision Brush Roll Clean Upright Cleaner. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you may have seen some photos of this Miele Complete C3 Electro Plus Eco line. Now, you haven't even seen an unboxing of this yet. I haven't had it very long. I got it for an absolute bargain price, which I won't reveal at the moment. But I haven't used it at all because, of course, using vacuum of the month, I can't really take these new cleaners I get for a spin because I don't want to sort of affect the highly scientific results. So I had a quick go of it, you know, just as I unboxed it. But since then, it's not really been used. So again, it's bagged, it's German made, and like the Sebo E3 Premium, it has a separate power nozzle. This is a huge thing. It's massive. I don't know how big it looks on camera, but it is a hefty, huge power head. It's not too heavy, but I think possibly the power head and the electro wand are heavier than the actual cleaner itself. But it is Miele's, to the date of making this video, it's Miele's only quad A vacuum, so it gets an A rating for dust pickup from carpets and hard floors, A for energy, and A for dust emissions. So would you like me to have a quadruple A clean home for December? Well, if you would, comment Miele below the video. And finally, fans of retro appliances may want to pick the Hoover Concept one as my vacuum of the month for December. Now, if you remember the unboxing of this concept, it doesn't actually work, and it still doesn't work, so my carpets are going to stay pretty dirty if I use this machine. Now, I do have that blue model, which I couldn't get before I made the video. I know where it is, but it's in a little bit out of the way place. So if I do use the concept, if you vote for the concept, it will be the blue version, which does work. For the blue version, I've also sourced some new headlight bulbs and a new power drive belt, so it will work a little bit better. It'll certainly drive across the carpet better than it did in the demo video. It still did a very good job. And I'll also possibly be using the toolkit that I've got. The toolkit I got with this machine. I think I unboxed it in the same video, but I got it separately. So I do have a toolkit that fits my blue concept, so I can use that for my above floor jobs. So, as I said, you won't see this particular concept because it's still broken. The cable is quite badly damaged, but I have managed to source a new cable for it, so it might just be a case of rewiring the cable. That might fix it, I'm not sure. So you will see a concept, but it'll be the blue version. So vote concept or Hoover Concept below the video if you want this, or at least its blue cousin, as vacuum of the month. Well, that's about the end of this video. Don't forget to cast your votes under this video only. The last chance you'll have to vote will be Thursday the 29th of November. So when I wake up on the 30th of November, I'll count all your votes together and then I'll make the video. So under this video only for your votes, and tune in on the 1st of December to see what's been chosen. And of course, you'll see my first Advent video as well on December the 1st. A big thank you to anyone who's already bought something from my Amazon wish list. If you didn't know, I've got a wish list on Amazon. I just open it up once a year for people if they'd like to contribute something towards my channel. There is a link below the video if you'd like to have a look at it. And anything bought from that wish list will be opened during my Christmas Day video. If you've got the option of adding a gift note, please do so, and then I can thank you during the video. I know some of the gifts you've bought haven't allowed you to do a gift note, so apologies for that. If you'd like to tell me what you've bought me previous to me opening it so I can thank you when I open it, you can contact me. I do know what's been bought, but I don't know who's bought most of the items. But I do know the items have been bought, but I haven't opened them. They are upstairs, still in the original Amazon packaging. So I'll wrap them up nicely so it looks all festive for my Christmas Day unboxing extravaganza. So, be very grateful. Check out my wish list below. Don't forget to vote below. And I'll see you all very soon for another video. Bye for now.